moss that nigga Jenkins.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Taz, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we are going to be playing some Ultimate Team. You know what I'm saying? Madden 24. We'll be soon getting Madden 25, you feel me? So I can drop some videos for y'all too with that. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. And let's get straight into the video. I think I'm a 98 overall. I'm pretty sure I am, but we're gonna see. It's Joe Alt. You know what I'm saying? I just recently got my right in, you feel me? I'm happy. This team costs like at least probably like 15, 14 million coins. Can't cap to you, but it's all good.
Got a motherfucking ball game, baby.
With Charles Davis, as always, I'm Brandon Gaudin. Charles, you talk about storylines in this one. I think it begins and ends with our two quarterbacks, certainly two of the best in the business.
And nowadays, I don't think you can get by for long periods of time without a top-flight quarterback. The way the game is played, with all the responsibility he has and how the game flows through him, if he's not on the top of his game, your team's not going to benefit at all.
Here's the punter now, Pat McAfee, to get this one started. And here we go. We're underway in Madden Ultimate Team. And the opening kickoff.
I'm guessing who's going to follow?
They'll start on the ground here on first down. Knifes his way forward here, but just 3 yards on the play. Second down.
It's all about picking up at least a few to set up what you're going to do here on second down.
Are you actually going to follow Kittle though? That's my thing.
Now Jackson on second down. He'll get this complete to Walter Payton. And he gets this one just shy of the 40, down at the 39. So from the 39 now, they'll come up on a 1st and 10. Jennings, a receiver in motion right. Now a handoff inside, it's Payton. And he'll get what he can up the middle, 3 yards, and that'll bring up second down.
Yeah, I don't know if it's exactly a win-win, but if you're on offense, you'll take that kind of a run, all right? It was kind of stacked up, found a little bit of yardage, and frankly, they're pretty close to staying on schedule on offense.
You didn't even know if he was dead.
It's still open for the coordinator.
On second down, here's Jackson. That's complete to Bo Jackson. And this is going to result in another first down as the tackle's made at the Packers 36.
Different people, but you absolutely know they want to get this man involved as well, and that's what they just did on that play.
Nigga, I can't tackle for shit. My man's about to kick a
Here's Payton up the middle.
God,
nothing doing. Barely able to muster a yard to hit the 35.
Going through anyway. They're fortunate to get a yard out of that one.
In motion, Gronkowski.
This nigga about to kick a fucking field.
Payton going to get it again on second. And he is met in his tracks behind the line of scrimmage. Here comes the 7th play of this opening drive. They moved it well, but here's third down. Jackson. Able to find the open man. That's complete. And they'll have it in the...
Everyone throws it on third down. You expect pressure, so you want the ball in the hands of the quarterback quickly. It's a 3-step route ordinarily, and you're throwing it where you see the receiver.
Looking for Gronkowski, and it's intercepted.
Fumble that motherfucker.
And the Packers are going to get the football here as they force the INT on the game's opening drive. Not something you see very often.
He's surprised at how that one played out. But we know this guy is not going to stop him from continuing to fire as this game goes along. Probably give a little nod of respect across the field for that one, and let him know he'll be back the very next series.
They take a shot downfield there, but it winds up falling incomplete. An incomplete pass leads to 2nd and 10 from the 25.
Oh, God, what if you would have said that?
Looking to throw.
You feel me?
And just not enough on the throw there. Down around his feet and incomplete.
Yo, why is this nigga overthrowing?
On third down,
like,
he'll drop to throw. He'll rifle this one deep right side. And he knocks the ball away, and it falls incomplete.
Partner, I came into this game eager to see how they would hold up in man coverage. And on that play, they held up quite well.
Can we kick a field goal?
McAfee to kick it away.
Can we kick a field goal? Where we at? On the 43? On the 43?
Now Sanders. Officially, that'll go as a 52-yard
Nigga, they not even giving me a
punt.
field
Not
goal
too
option,
shabby.
bro.
And they will take
Yo,
over
this
first
game
and
is
10.
ass, nigga.
Ready for their next drive.
Fuck it.
Remember last time out, they threw the interception on their first drive.
Oh, he
Good
fucking
news,
missed.
Their
He
defense
fucking
backed
missed.
them up, so it's still
He
0-0
fucking
here
missed.
as they begin their
He
second
fucking
possession.
choked.
Yeah, and one great way to judge a defense by them defensively.
Wee, nigga, shout
Took
out
just one
speed.
play to move all the way to the 44 as they try again on first down.
Oh my god, this nigga just did. This nigga's doing the impossible.
A first carry for the legend, it's Bo Jackson. And this will be taken across midfield and into Green Bay territory. Just what you want on a first down run. Call it 8 yards, and it's 2nd and 2.
Yeah, let me get that.
Now a give, it's Peyton. And he is going to be stopped cold behind the line of scrimmage. 3rd and 3.
Why can't I pick my fucking mama, man? Mom. Yeah, Madden's a fucking troll, bro.
Now it's Jackson. He's going to get that to his running back out of the backfield. And he's going to be brought down on what will be the final play of this first quarter. Quarter number 2. As they've got it with a 1st and 10. Gronk, the tight end, in motion.
Great.
On the give, here comes Peyton.
Damn.
And he's free going down the left side.
Nigga just Superman
To say, okay, we've got you hemmed in. But if you're running the football, at least you know where everyone is coming from. You don't have to worry about the backside at all. That allows you to run with a little bit more confidence as you traverse down the field.
Christian, where are you going?
Jackson's throw here complete to Kelsey.
Where are you going?
And to wrap him up immediately, because if you let that big guy get a head of steam up, boy, then you got real trouble trying to get him down.
But they're able to hold him to a short gain on first down.
One time for me, bro.
Throwing is Jackson. He'll drop this off to Peyton. They get him to the ground right on the cusp of the red zone after a pickup of 5 or 6.
Shout out them Colorado Buffs. I'm feeling like motherfucking Colorado.
On 3rd down, here's Peyton.
Yo, nigga,
And he picks up the first down. Line of scrimmage, the 15. It's 1st and 10.
Do your thing, kiddo. Do your thing,
Here's
kiddo.
Jackson to throw.
Oh shit,
Throwing quickly there, but it's incomplete.
Whoa,
But
I thought I threw
incompletion,
it.
partner, and the struggles through the
What
air
the
continue
fuck? I did that
because
big ass play
so
for
far
no
their lack of
reason,
passing
bro.
production has led to a lack of points.
They'll send Moss in motion right.
Got him, kiddo.
Here's a fake on
To
the
the
jet
end
sweep,
zone.
and instead a give up the middle.
This
And
bitch.
that one blown up quickly. As he's going to be stopped
Fuck.
before he could even get started. Chuck
Tackle him.
that up as a
Do not let this
4-yard
nigga-
loss.
oh my God,
And
this
now
nigga
it's
get his
3rd
shit
down here.
off.
14 yards
That's
is
why
what
that
they
nigga's
need
hurt
to try
now.
to convert this thing.
Yeah. Good hell.
Now on 3rd and long, they'll look to throw. That'll be caught over the middle by Moss.
Field goal squad.
And he'll be tackled right on the 10, well short of the first down.
Run right. Take a lot. I bid on him.
Baby, what?
They're going on 4th down. It's Jackson. And it's going to be batted down. It will go the other way with a football. The 4th down pass going to wind up yielding nothing. About set to get this drive started. The Green Bay offense at the line. As we eke closer and closer to intermission, Charles, remember last time out they punted. They would love to get points here, especially if this is going to be
Oh
their
my
final
God, this
possession
nigga
of the
would
first
catch the
half.
ball.
Yeah, and this would hold on to that,
Whoa.
trying to increase it.
Whoa,
Let's see how
this
this
nigga
one
just trucked
continues.
this nigga by jumping.
They'll set up the screen to Lynch. He's got space past the 25. And finally taken down at the 36-yard line. That one a gain of 20 and a first down.
Oh, shit.
They'll set up a throw.
Oh, man,
to
this
his
is damn near
right.
game, but come on.
He'll get this one to Kelsey. That's complete.
Oh, this nigga just faked the whole defense.
Midfield before being stopped just before the 35.
Hey, you ain't shit. You ain't shit, boy. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy. You gonna aim me
now
like that,
play
bro.
fake here on first down.
Ain't no way, boy.
And this is caught inside the 5.
This nigga just did a zone read.
Harold Carmichael, 36 yards. And the Packers will.
Ain't no way, boy.
Jason Sanders now for the extra point.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
And it's good to make it 7-0.
Throw that pick. Throw that pick for me.
Now after the touchdown, here's Pat McAfee
Ain't
to
no
kick.
way, boy.
Reed going to bring it out of the end zone. And only able to get this to the 19s. Back out there at the line, ready for their next drive.
Oh, you ain't
and
no
what do you
way,
think goes
boy.
on here in this situation? If you got the
Ain't no way
football,
this
you're
nigga
trailing,
just
you're
faked out
back
me
in your
for a
own
timeout.
territory with just a little time. Do you try something?
You're thinking about jump-starting your team, right? You just mentioned it. They're down. They're trying to get back into the game.
What the fuck?
But you got to figure, if something
What the
goes wrong,
fuck?
you may have put yourself in a spot where you may not be able to come back in the second half. Managing risk, this is a big decision here.
Oh, kiddo,
On
trick.
first and 10, it's Jackson. Over the
Run,
middle,
run.
complete.
You still know.
We'll
Wait,
stop
boy.
the clock with 26
Ain't no way you
seconds to
gonna end it
go
with a
until
field goal,
halftime.
boy. GG, man. GG. You know what I'm saying? Nigga almost came back. GG, man. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Jake Booty.
Jackson on first
Jake
down.
Booty.
Eluding the pressure right. On the run, he'll let it go deep. Right
GG,
sideline.
man. GG.
Oh, and that is incomplete.
4 downs to connect and try and pick up another first down.
Again, Jackson.
No way.
Short throw complete to Gronkowski.
The football, but not this guy. He's a refined route runner. Makes me wonder if he took some dance classes in his background with his footwork.
Now Jackson on first down. And incomplete on the deep ball.
This team is not good.
You ain't fucking with it.
What, 2K25?
2K26. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm got like 390. He quit. Oh my gosh, I paused the game and he quit. Good clip. Crazy.
With Charles Davis, as always, I'm Brandon Gaudin. Charles, you talk about storylines in this one. I think it begins and ends with our two quarterbacks, certainly two of the best in the business.
And nowadays, I don't think you can get by for long periods of time without it. If he's not on the top of his game, your team's not going to benefit at all.
Here's the punter now, Pat McAfee, to get this one started. And off we go in Madden Ultimate Team. And that one will bounce out of the back of the end.
Yep, I literally called it. He's gonna quit. I said it. I literally said it.
Oh yeah.
Bezo, I'm courting.
You didn't see. You didn't see his $20 million house, nigga.
No. Shout to Sketch,
Oh,
by the
you-
way.
Oh, you thought I was gonna say he was doing that?
Yeah. Just like,
Call that nigga Sketch Freaky on phone number.
oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to Sketch though. Congratulations on that $20 million house.
Right. Tuesday. Brother. Tuesday, brother. Sketch brother.
I gotta make a trip down to Phoenix, Arizona, because I gotta go down there to see Aubrey. Oh man.
I thought this nigga died.
Who?
Remember that
With Charles Davis, as always, I'm Brandon Gaudin. And Charles, you talk about storylines in this one. I think it begins and ends with our two quarterbacks, certainly two of the best in the business.
And nowadays, I don't think you can get by for long periods of time without a top-flight quarterback. The way the game is played, with all the responsibility he has and how the game flows through him, if he's not on the top of his game, your team's not going to benefit at all.
Here's the punter now, Pat McAfee, to get this one started. And here we go. We're underway in Madden Ultimate Team. And that one will bounce out of the back of the...
Don't tell me you're quitting.
I think I'm at 30-minute video.
Don't quit. He's checking out something. He's checking out my roster.
15. To throw at the outset, here's Hurts. Quick hitter here, it's complete. And they're able to get this one across the 35.
I think that they're starting to dominate the line of scrimmage.
Second down, here's Hurts. Packer pressure, and down he goes.
That's where he can really hurt you.
Third down and 6. Throwing is Hurts.
Thank you.
Oh, he tries to force it in, and it's intercepted. And they will set up shop in enemy territory at the 40.
They don't panic. They don't compound this problem. They've got a long way to go and a chance to get back in it.
They'll come out throwing here on first down. Oh, hit as he throws there, incomplete.
I shall ask for it.
They'll look to throw. He'll rifle this one deep right side. Touchdown, Packers. Harold Carmichael, 42 yards. And the Packers use the early turnover to get on the board first here in this one. Certain players, that looked like a well-designed play to get one of their top targets involved.
Yeah, let's face it, Brandon. A player of his talent is a problem for any opponent to defend, and we saw it right there. They tried to deny an open lane.
Now after the touchdown, here's Pat McAfee to kick. Well, from deep in the end zone, he's going to... And all deep in his own territory, he coughs up the football. And he will get back to at least cover this. Certainly a sigh of relief there. But his offense going to be set up deep in their own territory now.
I don't even know how to describe it. And I think we just saw an example there.
Yeah, and the relief when you get it back like he did.
Yeah, you go to the sidelines, you know you're going to get yelled at, but you can handle it.
Oh, and his early struggles continue. Here's another one intercepted. And his guys are going to take over at the 39-yard line. Now they'll come up on a 1st and 10. They'll try the middle with Lynch. And a nice little start as he's able to get this up to the 28. On first down, he'll drop to throw. Looking for Diggs, and it's intercepted. And the Texans will take over here just shy of the 30.
I think both teams are trying to find an advantage. We know that. Can one of them break away and take control of this game?
Throwing on first down, but this one winds up.
I just realized, bro. Something.
In tight and knock the ball away.
You were just talking, wasn't you?
Hurts sets up to throw it. And he takes a shot on the release as this is a 3rd and 10 after the incompletion. Hurts. Airing it out, looking for Ridley. And Hurts is intercepted, his 3rd of the game. Picked off by the free safety, Eric Berry. And they will finally get him down as he's...
Time, hit the reset button and come out a new guy in half number 2.
First down, the run with Lynch. And he'll have a gain of 3 to the 33. 2nd and 7. Off the option, he'll try and run with it. A solid gain of 7 yards that time on the keeper and a first down. He'll look to throw.
In there.
Open man here. It's the tight end, Kelsey. And they will eventually get him down, but he's inside the 5 all the way to the 3. They'll run with Lynch, and he'll take this into the end zone for a Green Bay touchdown. Marshawn Lynch, a 3-yard touchdown run.
Everyone understands the preparations that go into a game for an offensive line, because there's a reason that running backs and quarterbacks give them big gifts at the end of a season after a big year.
Now after the touchdown, here's Pat McAfee to kick. And they're going to start this drive in pretty good shape, up past the 30.
We have a minute and 18 seconds left in the first quarter. 14-0. What is he going to do with it? Is he going to fumble? Is he going to choke it, throw an interception, pick six? He's going to quit.
Now problems right out of the gate. We're going to get a delay. That flag accepted, and it backs the offense up a little bit.
Come here. Come here. You want to play? Yeah. Nigga, sit the fuck down, bitch. What the fuck is you talking about?
You playing Madden? What you playing?
Nah, I'm playing Mortal Kombat.
10 more seconds.
Play clock down to 0, and this is not the way to start a drive.
You got 28
So they
seconds,
accept
buddy.
the penalty, of course, and push the offense backwards a bit.
Seconds. 20 seconds now before you get kicked out the game for excessive grieving. So I suggest that you pick your play. You got 15 seconds left. You got 10 seconds. Come on now, buddy. I know you can hear me. Excuse me, sir. Sir. 5 seconds.
Right that, nigga.
2 seconds. He's out of there. Your peer has been kicked for excessive grieving. Like I just said.